Circular motion is when an object travels along a circular path. By comparison, rotational motion is when an object itself is rotating about its own center, but it's not translating. We're going to focus on circular motion in this video. This car is one example of circular motion because it traces out a path in the shape of a circle. Another example is a tether ball attached to a pole. As the ball swings around, it follows a circular path. There's thousands of satellites orbiting the Earth, and the Earth itself is orbiting the Sun. Technically, most orbits follow an ellipse, but we're mostly going to work with circular orbits. Even if an object doesn't complete a full circle, it's still in circular motion if the shape of its path is a circle.